Alright, so I have this battery charger kit here, okay? I showed this before. Where's my charger cable here? It has a USB charger here. I have 4 full batteries in here. And those are the batteries. Let's take them all out. They're all fully charged. And they are good for those GoPro Hero 9, 10 and 11 for all those. And then I have also my Osmo Action3 camera in here that I also charge. It's fully charged. I do put all the cameras into 4K 24 frames a second mode. Okay. 4K 24 frames. Everything else in here off, basically. The back screen stays lit. That's what I want. Lit back screen. I don't know if they will overheat or not. I'm running this test for Steve WB, who wanted me to check this in 4K. Sorry, so let me get down here a little bit with my camera here on my tripod, okay? You can see a little more here. On this one I have to check quick. Here, let me put the charger on. I do have to check quick if the display option is on and if the display does not turn off. I don't know if on the DJI the display is going to turn off. Let's see here. Is this in settings probably? Most likely. Sounds grid time code. Screen off when recording is set to never. So the screen should stay on forever and it only has the back screen on, okay? We see the battery is 100%. If you can see this here. So let's turn this. I don't have to turn it off. I leave it on here. I turn this one on first, like number 1. This one, second one, this one, and this one. They are all on. Once they're ready to record, I hit the record button here. Record, they all around the same time come on, and then I start the recording. So it doesn't matter if it's like a second less or more. Oh, what I do with the GoPros, so that they don't overheat, I'm going to open up here those mounts, because that's how this thing gets rid of its heat, right? In case there's a heat problem, and we give it a chance at least. So you can see I'm all blinking. Can you? The light here is blinking, 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 blinking. And that. And then the timer is going, and I'm going to fast forward this in a second. Let me try to get closer. Sorry about this here. I'm gonna get closer here, so that we see them all at the same time. There, and then I need to focus on everything here, can I? As much as I can in between those two. Okay, like this. And now we just have to wait and see what's going on. So I don't know how long it's gonna take for all of them to work. This is probably gonna be blurry here, because those cameras can't focus that close, but that is not the problem right now. So I'm gonna fast forward to when the cameras turn off. 4K 24 frames a second, and my recording camera is set to 4K 60 seconds. We'll see how big that file is going to be. Alright, let's go forward.